Moving with kids during the school year can feel stressful, but with the right approach, it can be a smoother experience for everyone. Start by talking to your children early. Explain why you are moving and give them time to ask questions and share how they feel. Being open helps reduce anxiety and builds trust. Work closely with the school. Let teachers and administrators know about the move as soon as possible. Request transcripts, records, and any important documents your child will need for the new school. Try to time the move carefully. If possible, move during a school break or long weekend to limit missed class time. Keep routines consistent during the transition to provide stability. Get kids involved in the process. Let them help pack their belongings and choose how their new room will look. This helps them feel included and excited about the change. Once you arrive, help your children adjust. Explore the new neighborhood together. Visit the school and encourage participation in activities to make new friends. Moving during the school year is not easy, but patience, communication, and planning can make it a positive experience. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.